So hello fellow coin and stamp and banknote collectors, whatever you want to collect. So in today's video, we're looking at the UV characteristics of the Australian banknotes. So here I have the old series, and well, in all due course, we will have a look. So just get a UV lamps. This is from Australia Post. I haven't bothered to actually purchase one myself. And you can see this one has a nice square right behind the Queen. If you can find anything else. So this is the first one that was issued for circulation. It's not commemorative. And I don't see any other UV characteristics on that side. So this is the 92 version. Now, as you can see, the serial numbers also UV. And the square is on the front and back. So it should line up. So it's pretty much pretty simple UV characteristics in that banknote. Let's see if it carries it on into the 1995 to 2015 series. And no, there is no square behind the Queen. Any other characteristics? No, nothing on that side. Okay, Katie. There you go, the serial number also lights up. And oh, there's a square. This is a square thing. So that's pretty disappointing. Okay, we're looking at the $10. Okay, that is nothing on there. Let's have a look at this side. The serial number should, serial numbers once again. But they're more, it's more like an outline, not the actual serial numbers themselves. So that's very interesting. And is that it? Maybe I'm not doing this right. So, and not, those serial numbers there also shine, but they're a bit harder to distinguish. Oh, this actually hurts my hands. Yeah, so that is it for that banknote. I will get a better lamp so we can have a better look at these banknotes under UV light. There's nothing on that one. So they seem to be all on the side that has the serial numbers. Okay, and it's just the serial numbers that light up. Okay, I don't see any other UV features. But thought it might have been. Anyway, so that's the $20. Here's the $50. Okay, $50. There's a UV feature there. At least I think it is. And if we turn it over, serial numbers, no. And yet that serial number, but not this one. Maybe that's a mistake. I thought these had the dates on them as well. Okay, so these don't have that much in the way of UV security features. It's just that one on that side. Okay, and the last one we're going to look at is the $100. Okay, I have to change hands. Gets a bit sore. Okay, nothing on that one. And let's turn it over. Okay, the serial number again. Up the top. And also, so that's about it. So they're not really too secure in the UV features. but that's only used for banks. A lot of people do not even know that these have UV on them. So anyway, that is the UV features of Australia's, well, first series of polymer banknotes. And the next video I'll do the current series. Thank you and goodbye.